Hi everybody, my name is Joe. I'm a business consultant for Entrepreneur Breakthroughs. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can make $5,000 in just 30 days. Now, in this hypothetical situation, let's pretend we're locked up in our bedroom for 30 days with no money to invest on anything, but we have to make $5,000 at the end of 30 days or otherwise we die. So there we go, otherwise we die. There we are. So how do we make $5,000 in just 30 days? Now here's an idea for you, and this is something you might really like, because we're going to develop a business based around something that you already know and something that you can actually teach. So the whole idea right now is just like, and this is just one idea. So there's lots of ideas of how you can make money online, but if you want to make money online for free, all you have to do is basically create an online course, because an online course, costs you your time and your knowledge, and we have 30 days to make $5,000, so we got nothing else but time and our knowledge to get along with this. So what do? You develop a course based on something you already know, something you're already passionate about, something that you're already interested in. So like, it doesn't matter what you're into as far as like your course topic. I mean, you could teach a course on how to skateboard, you could teach a course on how to sing, you could teach a course on how to paint. I mean, those are just some hobby ideas, but like, let's just say you're a professional. Can you teach people how to, are you a financial consultant? Can you teach a restaurant how to make more money? People will pay you for the things that you already know. But, setting aside the whole professional and serious topics, I mean, like, if you know how to do like anything that someone else would want to know, it could be like how to make handmade jewelry, like any topic that you are already an expert in, all you have to do is just create a course around that idea. And so, but I want to break down this whole like scenario of how you make $5,000 in just 30 days. And so what you want to do is spend the first 1 or 2 days developing your course. Like, it's really easy to do. To make an online course, all you need is your phone. I'm recording this video on my phone. Otherwise, you can record onto on your computer with your webcam. And if you don't want to be on camera, you can always seriously just like do a screenshot of your computer and just put pictures and text on your computer and just kind of like scroll along with your information. Like, for instance, like if you were to like go on to what is it, Word, on Microsoft Word, right? So what you do, go Microsoft Word and just put some bullet points down that you want to cover in your topic, right? And so then you just kind of like have the words on the screen and just talk about those topics and have your basically your customers and your students watching the video, looking at the notes and hearing your voice. So you don't even have to be on camera actually. So there's lots of ways to make a course, but it's really easy to just simply do a video, upload it onto a software platform that's free to use for your courses, and then from there on we would get other people to sell our courses for you. So even if you don't have a following, you could easily still sell your course. And so I want to break this down for you on how this can actually work. So in the first 1 to 2 days, we're going to develop our course, right? And if you don't know how to do anything like great or whatever, like, I mean, read 5 books, become an expert at one thing, and then make a course based on that one thing that you might be interested in. So it doesn't take much to come off as an expert, because to write an ebook, to become an author is like something that anyone can do. Even I've done it. So I mean, and I can say I'm an author. It's just like and just by writing one ebook, I can now say I'm an author. And when you say you're an author, people assume that you're an expert, because like, oh wow, you wrote a book. It seems really impressive, and it shows that people that you've done something. But we're not talking about ebooks in this situation. We're going to make a course. So in the first 1 to 2 days, we're going to make our course. Now, if you are actually, I'm a horrible speller. So, but anyways, you spend 1 to 2 days developing your course, right? And so like you record your courses, and your course does not have to be long. Like if you had 10 videos that were 10 minutes long, that's more than enough to like be a course. Your whole course has to be valuable. Like for instance, if you were to do like a course on sewing, like if you're really good at sewing and you can sew socks, you can sew sweaters, you can sew a scarf. Like each video could be about how to sew a scarf, how to sew a sock, how to knit a t-shirt or whatever. So it's like each video does not have to be that long either. As long as it's informative, that's all people care about. And like, for instance, like, and if you don't think people would pay for this, like, every morning, like I try to do a painting, like just to get my creative juices flowing. But like, I would seriously pay like a professional painter who's like selling paintings for $2,000 or whatever. I would pay that person like $300, $400, $500 for their course just to teach me how to paint like them, right? So it would take me years to learn how to paint like this other person. But if I took this course for $300 or even $100, like I can learn how to paint like a professional in just a matter of days, right? So people will pay for your knowledge and for your expertise. So, and people are all about learning. People want to learn stuff. Like it doesn't matter. Like people want to learn and get better at whatever they're interested in, and they will definitely pay you for lessons. I mean, that's why people go to karate class. That's why people hire a personal trainer at a gym. You know, like it goes on and on. Your course could be about nutrition. So it doesn't matter. So going back to our game plan, you spend the first 1 or 2 days developing your course, you know, and if you're doing this like 12 hours a day, 16 hours a day, you could have your course done easily, maybe even 1 day, but we'll just say 2 days, right? So you have your course, you take your course, you take your videos, you put it onto a software called ClickFunnels, which I'll get to in a second. But we're developing the course right now. So you record your course for 1 or 2 days. From day 3 to day, like, let's just say 16, for next week and a half, you're going to be finding influencers. And so, which means like you're going to find people who are going to promote your course for you, and you're going to give that person like a percentage of the sale every time they make a sale for you. So you can find influencers. So we're going to find influencers on Instagram. Find influencers. We got Instagram. You got YouTube. And you got Facebook groups. So to find an influencer is not hard. You just got to find someone who has a following. So if I were to have a course on skateboarding, I would go on Instagram and find people, influencers, who already have 50,000 followers on their Instagram for their skateboarding, for their Instagram, you know, skateboarding page. Or, you know, if you're a drummer, I would find, you know, a bunch of drummers who have followers. And then all you would do is just message these people and tell them, like, hey, my name is so-and-so. I have a course on skateboarding. I have a course on drumming. I have a course on sewing. I'm going to be selling it for $100. Would you be willing to promote my course to your audience? And I'll give you 50% of the sale. So like, even if your course was $100, which is not, you know, $100 is like nothing. Like I bought courses that online for $500, even more so. So I've never even bought a course for $100, but all the courses I have bought were like more than that. So I mean, I'm just saying like $100 is actually really low for a course. So to give someone like half of that, and you make $50, and your affiliate makes $50, you know, let's just say that's what you make. And let's just say you are selling your course for $100. So we'll do bare minimum. Now, if you're selling your course for $300 or $200, obviously you have to make less sales. So all we need right here though is make $50 per sale. And to make $5,000, which is our goal, all we need is 100 sales. All right, so that's breaking it down. That's super easy. So all we need is 100 sales to make $5,000. Now, we're going to spend these days right here, 3 through 16. We have 13 days to find, let's just say 100 influencers, right? That's a lot of influencers, right? But we have 13 days. And let's just say for those 13 days, or let's just break it down. Let's just say for 10 days. So just to make it easier. So let's just say 10 days. For 10 days, you go on Instagram, on YouTube, and Facebook groups, and you just message people. And you say, hi, my name is Joe. I have a course on skateboarding. Would you like to promote my course? I can give you an affiliate deal to where you get 50% of the sale, which means $50 every time you make a sale for me. And so you don't even need your own audience to make your own sales for you. So for 10 days, you can message, you know, 20 people on Instagram, 20 people on YouTube, 20 people on Facebook or whatever, right? But like at the end of the day, like you want to get like at least, 10 influencers at the very least. Like that's one influencer a day to say yes. And that's very small. 10 influencers is your bare minimum goal, right? That's very small. That's not even like if your life is on the line, finding 10 people to 10 influencers is not gonna be hard. Like you should be able to get 5 influencers a day, maybe 6 or 7. But let's just say you find only 10 influencers, right? So what you do is like when you message these influencers, you tell them, "Hi, my course is going to launch on this date," which would be like 14 days out from the rest of your 30 days. So like on day 15, basically, right? So you're going to have 14 days to sell your course. So if you find 10 influencers who can at least make you 10 sales, which is one sale a day, like for each influencer, that's now 100. That's another 100 sales total. And if you're selling your course for $100 and you're giving your influencer 50 of that, and you're getting 50 yourself, that's $5,000 that you just made in 30 days. And this is something that you can actually keep going on and on. Like your whole deal does not have to end after 30 days. Like you can keep making money month after month after month. So, but just to get you started in your first 30 days, how do you make $5,000? All you have to do is just find 10 influencers who will sell your course for you, and then have each influencer sell one course a day. Now, if that influencer has like 100,000 followers or even 50,000 followers, I mean, if that influencer is making one post a day, like you're gonna make sales on the first day, and then you're gonna keep making sales as the influencer continues to promote your stuff, because most people, they see your ad and they think about it, and the next day they see the ad again, they think about it, and the next day they see your ad again, then now they kind of want it, and then like they see it on day 4, day 5, day 6, they see your ad on day 7, and then like now the person has all this anticipation, and now they develop that desire, or maybe it takes them like 5 days to get their paycheck. So you never know, like that person might actually want your course, but you got to keep presenting that offer to them over and over. So over the course of 10 days or 14 days even, if your 10 influencers can make one sale a day for you, you're going to be making $5,000 a month. And that's on the low end. That's if our course is only $100. That's not saying our course is $200 or $300. And that's only saying we have 10 influencers. If your life is on the line, I would have 50 influencers, maybe 80 or 100, right? So, I mean, having 10 influencers is very small. So, I mean, that's not a lot. So all you got to do is just get 10 influencers to agree to promoting your course for every day for 10 days straight. Because you want to get those 5 to 8 days of like marketing out there. So, because most people don't buy the first time they see an ad. Some people, like I said, they might need their paycheck, which is coming in 10 days from now or whatever. So like you need to give people time to buy or time to save up. But that's how you make $5,000 in 1 month. Just find 10 influencers to promote your course for you. And like I said, if you have an email list, you can develop an email list out of all these people that buy your course, and you can continue to email these people every day, every week, like with more products that you have. Or like, let's just say you're selling skateboards again. Like you sell your course, but then you email them like some products off of Amazon that you thought were cool, or a skateboard deck or some wheels, and now you become an affiliate for Amazon, and now you're getting money based on your sales that you're giving to Amazon, basically, right? So I mean, that's a whole nother story, but all we're talking about is selling our course. Develop a course for free, have it sell for $100, find 10 influencers to sell you, to promote their products, to your products to their crowd every day for 10 days straight, make one sale a day from each one of these, and you're gonna have 100 sales in 10 days. So that's one way of breaking it down. And like I said, like 10 influencers is not a lot of influencers. So like if you're spending all day long for all this time from day 5 to 16, right? Within those 11 days, you're gonna be hustling, finding influencers, no matter whatever it takes. So it's a very small minimum to do. 10 influencers, one sale a day, equals $5,000 a month. So I hope you like this breakdown. If you do, if you do want to develop your own course, there's a platform called ClickFunnels, which you should definitely get. ClickFunnels is basically a software where you can host online courses. You can also sell products. You can host webinars. You can schedule appointments. So ClickFunnels kind of does a lot of things, but the most important thing I want to tell you is like it allows you to have your own affiliate program. So if you did have an online course, or you're selling your own products or whatever, like you would get these influencers to be your affiliate. So you would give your affiliates a special code, a special link that links to their account, and basically it tells you which influencers are making those sales. So ClickFunnels, I'm actually an affiliate for them. So I have a link in the description for ClickFunnels if you want to get out your 14-day free trial. So I'm just saying, like, that's just why you sign up on number 16. On day 16, you launch your course because you have 14-day free trial for your ClickFunnels, but you're gonna be making sales on day 1. So ClickFunnels does cost $97 a month for the basic plan, or $297 for the extensive plan. The extensive plan for $297 is the one that you would want for your affiliate program, but it's free when you're with your 14-day free trial. So I'm just saying, like, that's just how you make $5,000 a month. And basically, if you have no other choice and you're locked in your bedroom for 30 days with no money to invest on a business, but that's how you do it. That's how you create an online business for free. It's like you use a 14-day free trial, you get influencers, all this is free. By the time you're making sales on day 30, you can pay for your ClickFunnels account or just cancel it and keep your money. So whatever you want to do. So you can develop a real business. I would suggest you stick with ClickFunnels and develop a real business based on your course, since you already did all this work. But anyways, my name is Joe. I'm a business consultant, so I hope you like all this information. If you like this video, click subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell if you'd like to learn more. And again, like, I do funnels for people, so if you want a sales funnel made for you, I can definitely help you out, or I can even make a funnel for you. So whatever floats your boat. So anyways, thanks for watching this video. Hope you all got this value, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.